Austin industries are booming, and technology is at the center of that growth. From tech and healthcare to creative services, advanced manufacturing, and professional services, companies are using AI, automation, cloud platforms, and data analytics to work smarter, scale faster, and stay competitive. As Max Barnhart, Director of Sales at Integritek, says, "Adaptability isn't optional here. Businesses that respond quickly to Austin's shifts often create their own competitive edge." Local SMBs are tapping into the city's thriving talent pool and leveraging tools that streamline operations, improve security, and foster collaboration. Tech companies set the pace for innovation, creative agencies fuel cross-industry partnerships, and healthcare and manufacturing businesses adopt new systems to boost efficiency and compliance. Aligning with these top industries gives SMBs access to expertise, networks, and technology that can accelerate growth. Challenges like talent retention, rapid innovation, regulatory compliance, and market volatility still exist, but the right IT strategies make a difference. Managed services, cloud solutions, and proactive IT support help businesses stay agile, reduce risks, and focus on core operations. By connecting with Austin industries and adopting technology-driven strategies, SMBs can navigate change confidently, seize new opportunities, and build long-term resilience. If you want to learn more, check out the full article on our website, and don't forget to add this podcast to your playlist for easy access anytime.